backyard sunset and vine. There's a few people gathering right there. Probably getting ready to stage another protest. Just across the street is Walgreens with some of the National Guards. It's very busy street right here. Intersection of Sunset and Vine. Okay. So, Bank of America right here. Protesters across the street, probably waiting for the rest of their group to show up later. Starbucks all boarded up. National Guards right here. How you guys doing? So far so good. Guys, take care. Stay safe. Club. How you guys doing? Getting ready again? Hopefully there's no more protests. This is gathering right there over now. So I'll feel them. They're probably gonna gather more later.
That's cool. What kind of camera is that?
Oh, it's a DJI Osmo. It's a camera stabilizer. So it's even if we move it, it's not gonna.
It's not a GoPro or.
Oh no, better than GoPro.
Better than GoPro, huh? What'd you get it?
That was about $400, but it's worth it. Even if your hands are shaking.
Check it out.
See, even if your hands are shaking, the image stays.
Dang. Where'd you get?
Do they have ones
Best
that
Buy?
you can
Best
like
Buy?
attach to bicycle helmets and stuff?
Those are GoPros, but nothing like this.
those?
No,
Those don't do that.
no. They have the drones. It's like about 1,200. Catch everything, and the image is stable.
I know. How much do those
Best Buy,
run?
$400.
$400?
Good for vlogging.
That's barely more than a GoPro.
Yeah.
GoPro's about
250, 300.
yeah.
That's
It's more like an action camera.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Take care, guys.
All right.
You guys doing? Morning. How you guys doing? All boarding up. That's the dome right there. Camera dome. National Guards on both sides. More National Guards on that side, but guy just walking his dog. Very friendly and accommodating. them on the way.
Get a fist up. Get a thumbs up. And get somebody to yell, I love America. I love the First Amendment right. Come on. Black Lives Matter. Period.
It's like these people.
Let's go.
They're passing by.
I don't know.
Remember, half moon day.
What's that?
Half moon day. Like a half moon in the sky during the day. .com.
Oh, I'll check it out. Hmm?
Militarizing of the
Hashtag George Floyd. BLM. Later. These are all Starbucks right here, all boarded up. Yes, more protesters are showing up. And once they have their number up, they might do their walk. So young. Majority of protesters are really young. Young and they know the issues already. And they're just crossing the street. All the traffic is ongoing. Back to my car. I got my footage for the day. Guys, stay safe out there. McDonald's right there, so also all boarded out. Chipotle is still open for business. Hashtag George Floyd. Justice for George Floyd. That's McDonald's right here. All boarded up. No justice, no peace. Act up. It's a wine store, all boarded up with security too. It's the new norm now. Board up your business. Instead of opening up soon after the virus, well, now it's closed again. Don't know how long this protest will go through. Oh, they even destroyed all this bus stop waiting area.